If you're thinking about moving to Los Angeles, there's so many different neighborhoods to choose from. And this week, we're going to focus in on Echo Park and Silverlake. Living in Echo Park and Silverlake means being surrounded by a lot of diversity, including artists, musicians, young professionals, and families. It has a ton of trendy restaurants, coffee shops, boutique shops, and bars, all catering to a more creative and hipster type. Both of these areas have major attractions, one being Echo Park Lake, which has paddle boats and a little walking trail around the lake. And then you also have Silver Lake Reservoir, which has a jogging track, and that's where I bring my pup to go to the dog park. These areas have lots of bustling nightlife with great bars and music venues where you can see new up-and-coming artists. While there are a ton of benefits to living in Echo Park and Silver Lake, some of the downfalls is it is not very affordable. So finding an affordable home is going to be a little bit challenging, and then the traffic. But that's pretty much almost anywhere in Los Angeles. You have a lot of traffic because it is densely populated, but it is a beautiful area, and I want to show you a couple properties I toured this week that are on the market. 3 of them are going to be in Echo Park, and 4 of them are going to be in Silver Lake. I'm going to put the timestamp down for each one down below in the description with the link to their full property details. So if you just want to skip to the Silver Lake section, just click on that link and it'll forward you right to that part of the video. And then click on the link to see the full property details or to schedule a showing for any of these properties. Okay, let's jump into it. This is Echo Park. This is priced at $1.6 million. It's 2 bedroom, 1 bath. It's 1,380 square feet. And as you can tell, it has been fully renovated. It has hardwood floors throughout most of the property, and it's move-in ready. This is one of your guest bedrooms, and that is right next to the bathroom. Just have a big soaking tub right there. And then your primary bedroom, is really good size, and it leads you out to this incredible backyard. Now, this is on a really steep street in Echo Park, but it has a flat lot with a pool, which is super rare. And there's your pool. It also has a bonus structure in the back that you can use as an office or a workout or a gym. This next one is also in Echo Park. It is priced at $1,095,000. It's 2 bedroom, 2 bath, 1,556 square feet. Now, I have to be honest with you, the layout of this property was a little bit odd to me, but it has tons of potential and it's a decent size for the price. That was your primary bedroom, right there. And then you go around to the primary bathroom. And it does have a really nice size yard with views of downtown Los Angeles right there. This next one is also in Echo Park. It's 2 bedroom, 2 bath. It's priced at $1,095,000 with incredible views of downtown Los Angeles. It's 1,278 square feet. It's been fully renovated. It was a previous bungalow that they added a huge second story onto that. And this is your primary bedroom, And you can see the downtown views even from your bed. If you walk around the corner, you do have a really nice walk-in closet. And on the other side, you have your primary bathroom. It does have vaulted ceilings with a skylight and a jetted tub there. Now, this balcony is off of the primary on the back side with just gorgeous views. You don't get those views very often in Los Angeles. This is an unpermitted ADU. They use this as an Airbnb, but you can do whatever you want. It doesn't have any parking though, because that was the previous garage. And now we're going to jump over to Silver Lake. This one is priced at $1.649 million. It's 2 bedroom, 2 bath, 1,364 square feet. It has more of a rustic cottage feel to it, but it's been renovated and the views are absolutely awesome. It does face west for your views, so you can catch those sunsets from the property. That's one of your bedrooms. This is one of your bathrooms here, and then it goes around the corner to the primary bedroom, which does have access to your balcony and those views, which I'm going to show you in just a moment. This used to be a garage, but they converted it into an unpermitted ADU. She was making some income off this, but you have to be careful with unpermitted ADUs. Just be cautious of that. And then here is a bonus space downstairs on the lower level. And here is your views facing west. It's a gorgeous place to catch sunset. The next 2 that I'm going to show you are in a small lot community. There's only 14 homes that are brand new construction. They range in price from $1.75 million up to $2 million. And the square footage is there's 1275 up to 2247 square feet. Now, as you can see, it's all new modern construction. This is your primary bedroom on the second level. It does have corner windows right there, double sinks, walk-in shower, and a really nice walk-in closet. All of these models have the living space on the third level. So you have your living room, your dining area, and your kitchen on the third level with a nice big pantry and a big island. But the best part about all of these is the rooftop deck. You have views of the Hollywood sign and they're incredible. So this is in that same community. This is the larger model, is 2247 square feet. The lower level does have a bedroom downstairs with an ensuite bathroom. All of these are 3-bedroom, 3.5 bathrooms. So each one of them has their own bath in the bedroom. This is your little yard. They're calling it a yardlet. Bigger than a patio, but not quite a huge yard. But it is some outdoor space, which the other unit did not have. That's your guest bedroom. This is your primary bedroom with a balcony in the front. It does have a nice walk-in closet and double sinks and a walk-in shower here. Now, the cool part about these back units is that they are elevated a little bit higher, so you have even better views than you do in the front ones. This is your living space. It's on the third level, and the rooftop deck, I have to tell you, there's unobstructed views, almost 360 views. It's absolutely incredible. So definitely check this out if you're looking for new construction in Silverlake. So this next one is in Silverlake. This is a triplex, and it's going to be ideal for somebody who wants to live in the property and make some rental income off of the other rentals. The lower unit is 4-bedroom, 2-bath, and it feels like a house, obviously a house that's been not renovated since 1960, but it has a really spacious feel. It has 2 1-bedroom units above it that are renting out for $1,300 and $1,600. And then you also have a really nice sized yard where you could potentially add an ADU to the back as well. So these are the houses that I toured this week in Silverlake and Echo Park. If you want to see the full list of everything that's on the market, I'm going to put that in the description as well. You can also reach out to me at 213-268-6832. Make sure to subscribe for weekly tours in the Los Angeles area.